Hello, kiddos. This is Miss Charles with Swinging on a Star, Part 1. Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a mule? A mule is an animal with long funny ears. He kicks up at everything he hears. His back is brawny, but his mind is weak. He's just a weirdo with a stubborn streak. And by the way, if you hate to go to school, you may grow up to be a mule. Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a pig? A pig is an animal with dirt on his face. His shoes are a terrible disgrace. He's got no manners when he eats his food. He's fat and lazy and extremely rude. But if you don't care a feather or a fig, you may grow up to be a pig. Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a fish? A fish won't do anything but swim in a brook. He can't write his name or read a book. To fool the people is his only thought. And though he's slippery, he still gets caught. But and if that sort of life is what you wish, you may grow up to be a fish. And all the monkeys aren't in the zoo. Every day you meet quite a few. So you see, it's all up to you. You could be better than you are. You could be swinging on a star. Make sure to hold out that last star 8 beats. Eight beats. Happy practicing.